Hello everyone, welcome to K-Tech High School and Junior College. I wish you all a very good morning. Children, we have now finished with lesson number 4, current, electricity and magnetism. So today we will be discussing the exercise of this lesson. Let's begin. Question number 1. Write proper words from the following group of words in the blank. Here, some words are given in the blank which you need to write. Choose from it and fill in the blanks. Magnetism, 4.5 volt, 3.0 volts, gravitational attraction, potential difference, potential. See here. A. Water in the waterfall flows from a higher level to the lower level because of dash, potential difference. In an electric circuit, electrons flow from a point of higher potential to the point of lower potential. C. The difference between the electrostatic potential of the positive end, the negative end of an electric cell is the potential of the cell. D. 3 electric cells of potential difference 1.5 volt each have been connected as a battery. So the potential difference of the battery will be 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 equal to 4.5 volts. An electric current flowing in a wire creates magnetic field around the wire. So these were the fill in the blanks. Question number 2. A battery is to be formed by joining 3 dry cells with connecting wires. Show how will you connect the wires by drawing a diagram. So the diagram shown here, you need to draw it like this. The 3 batteries are connected to each other. Got it? Question number 3. In an electric circuit, a battery and a bulb have been connected and the battery consists of 2 cells of equal potential difference. If the bulb is not glowing, then which test will you perform in order to find out the reason for the bulb not glowing? Understood the question? Now let's see the answer for this question. Answer. The following tests should be performed to find the reason why bulb is not glowing. Check how the terminals of the batteries are connected to each other. Ensure that the positive terminal of one battery is connected to the negative terminal of other batteries. If the batteries are connected in this way and even then the bulb does not glow, go for the next test given below. Let's see the next test. Check for the broken wires in the circuit. Ensure that the wires used for connecting the various electrical components are not broken in between. That is, ensure that the circuit is closed. Even after ensuring that the wires are not broken in between, the bulb does not glow, move to the next test. Check how the connecting wires are connected to the bulb. Ensure that the bulb is connected to the batteries using the connecting wires as shown below. Even now, if the bulb does not glow, replace the bulb or the batteries with a new one. Understood, children? And you also have to draw the diagram which is being displayed over here. Question number 4. Electric cells having 2-volt potential difference each have been connected in the form of a battery. What will be the total potential difference of the battery in both the cases? Here two cases are given where in the first 3 batteries and in the second 4 batteries are connected. Let's see the answer for it. In the first case, there are 3 cells connected and each cell has 2-volt potential difference. Hence, the total potential difference will be 2 volts plus 2 volt plus 2 volts, which is equal to 6 volt. Now in the second case, there are 4 cells connected and each cell has 2-volt potential difference. Hence, the total potential difference will be 2 volts plus 2 volts plus 2 volts plus 2 volts, which is equal to 8 volts. Got it? Now question number 5. Describe the construction, working and usefulness of a dry cell with the help of a diagram. So this is the diagram of a dry cell which you need to draw. Construction of a dry cell. The dry cell consists of following components. Outer metal covering. The metal covering is made up of zinc metal and is whitish in appearance. It acts as a negative terminal of the cell. Electrolyte. Inside the zinc metal, there is electrolyte fill between 2 layers. Electrolyte is a wet pulp of zinc chloride and ammonium chloride. It is the charge carrier of electricity as it contains negatively charged and positively charged ions. Metal rod. There is a graphite rod at the center of the cell. It is surrounded by the paste of manganese dioxide. It acts as the positive terminal of the cell. Working of a dry cell. Chemical reaction takes place between the electrolyte, zinc container and graphite rod. Because of this, electric charge is produced on the 2 terminals of the cell and electric current flows in the circuit. Usefulness of a dry cell. They are handy and portable. The life of dry cell is longer than cells using liquid electrolyte. Dry cells can be used in torch, TV or AC remote controls, toys, etc. Question number 6. Describe the construction and working of an electric bell with the help of a diagram. So this is the diagram of an electric bell which you need to draw. Construction of an electric bell. Following are the components of electric bell. Electromagnet. A copper wire is wound around an iron piece which acts as a magnet when current flows through it. Striker in touch with contact screw through an iron strip. A metal gong, a key or a switch. Working of an electric bell. When the switch is on, the screw is in contact with the iron strip, then electric current flows through the copper wire, which gets magnetized because of electromagnetism. This magnetized copper wire attracts the iron strip towards it, letting the striker hit the gong, and thus sound is produced. As soon as the striker hits the gong, the screw loses its contact with the iron strip and therefore current stops in the circuit. At this point, the electromagnet loses its magnetism and the iron strip moves back and comes in contact with the screw. The electric current is then restored in the circuit, and again the striker hits the gong by the above process. This action repeats itself and the bell rings. Understood, children? So with this, we have finished discussing the exercise of lesson number 4, current, electricity and magnetism. Children, please do write all these question answers in your Science CW book. Hope you all have understood. See you soon in the next session with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Thank you, children.